Hi Diva Squad, welcome back to my channel, A Diva on a Budget. What's up? If you're new, my name is Monique, aka A Diva on a Budget, here on YouTube and this channel. And I typically do beauty, curvy fashion, and mom life. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe down below. It would do me great honors to have you on this Diva Squad. And we're doing this cute little Valentine's number. I love little hearts on the side and on the bottom. I love the purple lashes with the purple wing. And I would have did purple lips, but I think it's just a lot of purple, especially with the purple barrette, have the purple romper. So I just decided to do some nude lips. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on into this tutorial. So let me tell you guys what I have on my face before I start on my little Valentine's heart design. Now I have some bronzer on, I have some blush on, I did my brows, I have some neutral brown just around my eye on the bottom and around. I have some concealer, no foundation. I'm just gonna start doing the CC cream because that usually has SPF in it, and since it's starting to get hot here in California, I'd rather do that. I've pinned my hair back, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I kind of want to do like some cute hearts around here possibly and see how it looks, and then do the purple lashes. Now I have colored some lashes and it was mighty difficult to color them, and it took 2 days to color them, and they're still kind of sticky. And then you can see them right there. And to color them purple, I used the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Amethyst. And it dries, but I guess if you put like too many coats on, it's not gonna dry fully. It's still gonna be kind of transferable, and it still kind of transfers onto my skin. So I'm gonna have to be very careful on how I put this on. So like I said, I'm going to try to do the little cute heart designs around here. I'm going to do a purple wing, purple lashes. And I don't know if I'm gonna do purple lips. That might be a lot. I don't know. I might do nude. I might just switch it up and do both. You never know. But let's go ahead and start on the wing. Let's start the wing. Now I'm using a Real Techniques fine liner brush. It's really, really fine, and I already have a little paint on it because I was trying to do like a little sample on my hand before I even started to do it and think about doing like a little heart design. So let's get into it. I have a mirror right here, so I hope you can see what I'm about to do. There is the wing. I'm doing the other one off camera. Okay, got the wings on. They're kind of like cousins, not sisters, but they okay. So now I'm going to start on the hearts around here. Wish me luck. I think I might put a little purple shadow on top of the liner because I don't want it to transfer up on my eyeshadow, and I feel like it already is. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah. So I'm just going to use the Huda Amethyst Obsessions, and I'm going in with this color here. So let's do it. Wow, that kind of brightened it up a little bit, if you can tell. Before, after. I'm going to do the other one off camera. I think that looks really pretty. It kind of brightened it up a little bit. So I feel like I'm going to go ahead and do that with the hearts too. So let's get into the hearts, you guys. I saw this on TikTok. So hopefully I could do this really cute. Okay, so they say all you have to do is like a V, and then kind of fill it in like a heart.
Bobby has really stepped up in vocalizing and expressing his concerns to his mother.
Like that.
Unfortunately,
so
she
let's
is talking over him.
try and do a couple of those. So that is how that's going to look. I don't know if I should do this side. I think I might do under here because I have my hair that's going to cover it. So I think I'll probably just do one heart right here. And yeah, I think that'll be fun. So yeah, I'm gonna do one heart right here, and then I'll come back and put my lashes on, and then we'll see what I'm going to be doing with my lips. But before I do that, before I come back and do my lips, I will be also using the Huda Beauty to make it more vibrant like I did the liner. So I'm back. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. So cute. Purple lashes, purple hearts, purple liner. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a nude lip. I think I want to do a nude lip because this purple is just, that's a lot. And I'm wearing a purple jumper, so let me just go ahead and do a nude lip. So I'm going to line with the St. Luxe Moscato lip liner. Looks like this. And then I'm going to just go ahead and top it off with some Milani, and it's in the color Rose Femi. And that's what it looks like. But before I do that, let me go ahead and put a little highlighter on because I don't have any on yet. So
and she's
So I did go ahead and put 2 hearts right here, and then the little seed of a heart right here. And I really think it's so cute. I just love it. It's super Valentine-y.
Ashton, an extreme cleaning specialist. We're here at Ruth's house today. We got a lot of work to do and a short time to do it. We're going to get the guys in the house and we can start working.
So I'm going to line my lips with this St. Lux Moscato. Just wiping it out a little bit.
Ruth is nowhere to be found. She was really upset when she met Dr. Zazia.
So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please, don't forget what? Smash that like button. And I need some more Divas on the Diva Squad. So if you are watching my videos and you're not on the Diva Squad, go ahead and hit subscribe, join the Diva Squad, and watch another video and like that one too. And until next time, I hope you're having a great day or a great night, or whenever you're watching it, be safe. And I hope you have your health and you're loving on someone, and blessings. Happy Lover's Day. Liner, so little.